Hello there, and a very warm welcome to a slightly blustery afternoon on day 3 of Expo 2020. Today we are exploring this building behind me. It is the India's pavilion. It's a really large one. It's at least 3 or 4 floors, as you can see. And this frontage that you're seeing here is kinetic. It moves, but it doesn't only move, it also glows. Now obviously during the day it looks a bit unprepossessing, sort of beiges and greys. But at night, I'm telling you now, it completely comes alive. We've got somebody beeping behind us. Let's head on in so that we don't get beeped on too much. But yes, it completely comes alive and acts as a giant screen. So you'll see things like tigers prowling along it. And you really get a sense of the colours of India. So we're going to come into the entrance here. We skipped the queues because we're doing a Facebook Live. But as you can see, we are being welcomed here as we come in. Right from the start, and you literally dive straight into the pavilion. Namaste. So obviously most people are wearing their masks now. I'm not wearing mine just for the sake of this video, but I'll make sure I'll keep my social distance. But as you can see, you're immediately immersed into India's space program. So just over here, if we follow around to the left, we're going to move over here to their Mars program. Very interactive exhibition. There's a lot going on. Here we go. Giving you a sense of the work that they're doing to try and get to Mars. And this is something I just didn't know. I didn't realise India had such a developed space industry, such a developed space market. So here we're going to move to the lunar exploration area. This details their lunar exploration and how they're going to be developing that. It's a real space focus thing, quite realised. And intriguingly, and respect to India, this bubble here, this slightly subdued bubble, we actually have details of their failed lunar attempt. They wanted to go to the dark side of the moon, and it actually didn't work. Let's head on in. And so you go into the bubble and look at the distress. Do you see the distress here? I mean, I have to say it's pretty impressive for India to outline their successes and their failures. It's pretty impressive. It gives you a sense of, this is a very honest video illustrating both sides of the story. Now what's fun is we move out of the space area now, and as you can see it's moving a little bit leafier. We're moving now into more of the natural world, the natural side. There's lights on the floor, which are not more of the sort of spiritual side of India as well. And so you're looking at these gorgeous statues strolling along, and then hello! They're wet. This is a very bendy gentleman illustrating a wonderful yoga position, because of course one of India's biggest exports has got yoga, of course. Outlining the chakras and the positions. I know very little about yoga, as you'll discover it now. I'm going to do it though. Unless you do a yoga first. Nailed it. I'm very proud of myself now. You see, it's not just me. Lots of people are doing it as well. And you can even fit into the India pose if you didn't do a yoga pose. So we're entering this extraordinary bubble now. Namaste. Can you tell us a little bit about what we can see here in this bubble?
This is an exhibition about India's medical herbs known as Ayurveda, and we have augmented reality technology with us. So with these tiles and this iPad that we have right now, we can scan the barcode and we'll know more information about it.
Fantastic. So here we've got lemon leaves, mint, aloe vera,
Tulsi. I don't know what Tulsi is. Tulsi is one of the spiritual plants in India. We worship this.
oh wow,
And it has a lot of benefits as well.
amazing. And then over here I saw eucalyptus, more tulsi, and then of course curry leaves over here. Can you hear the echo? That's quite fun. And so you get a real sense of Obviously, another big element of India's culture, which is naturally food, which I'm very excited about. And there's actually a restaurant attached to the pavilion, isn't there? There you go. So what do I do now?
Just keep the focus.
Thank you so much. Go ahead. Oh, look! That's very clever. Curry leaves help to sharpen the vision and possess exclusive medicinal application. I didn't know that. I thought it was just to make curries taste good. We learned something amazing. Thank you so much. We're doing a whistle-stop tour, so we're going to whisk through. Obviously, if you were visiting the pavilion yourself, you'd spend a lot more time there exploring each of the elements. This gives you a sense of what we've got going on here. Heading upstairs now. Woo. To another promised area. Nearly lost it. Do you think I'd get more people watching if I fell off?
Legacy.
Okay, so we're heading up now to the second floor. As you can see now, we can look down on this space area here now. And then we're moving up to this area, which is all about the colours of India. And let's go over here. Hi. So here we go we're in an extraordinary area here. There's screens on every side and mirrors on the ceiling. So you really feel you're in a properly immersive experience. In a minute, you're going to see the colours coming alive. Hello there, hi. And you get a sense of the different landscapes, the different territories of India, and the colour as well. There's quite a strict way of walking around here so that we don't walk on. Obviously keen to promote their tourism as well as their culture and of course their innovations. So as we move through now, you see it's everywhere. Amazing. One of the reasons I think why that they've been able to spend so much money on it is because it's actually one of the legacy buildings of Expo 2020. Some of the pavilions are going to stay forever and they're going to become part of the District 2020. And this is one of them. Now, water. So large and really very substantial. Okay, so we're moving through here. When I came up here earlier, they started to cover the different nationalities and cultures within India as well. I think we're moving into that section as well. So every time you come up here, you want to spend a good few, I'd say, look, you want to spend a good 15 minutes in this space. And it is meditative, it's beautiful, and it's inspiring. All the different things that India is famous for. Now, if we go up onto the next floor, it gets a bit more corporate, it gets a bit more about the business of India, the small and medium-sized businesses. And also down in the basement, it's pretty exciting. Because down in the basement, we have the details of the Hindu temple that is being built at the moment in Abu Dhabi. It's not the biggest temple, it's not the second biggest temple, but it is one of the biggest temples. It's going to be on a site that's 9 acres large, 9 acres big. So it is going to be very, very grand. And the other thing that they mentioned about it is that it's being built entirely out of stone. Wonderful exhibition downstairs in the basement, very much worth a visit as well. So, and there's a restaurant, and then out in the courtyard there's a chakra. So I'd say you probably want to leave a good half an hour to explore the Indian Pavilion. And then of course down in the basement, don't forget to get your passport stamp in your Expo 2020 passport. We're going to head off to another pavilion now.